Today, Greg and I are exploring an abandoned cement factory. Most of these buildings were constructed in the 1950s and produced thousands of barrels of cement a day, until economic conditions caused the plants to shut down in 1981. Since then, the factories have slowly been eaten away by decay, the elements, and vandalism. Today, we will uncover the remains of this abandoned factory. This is Urban Exploration with Scott's Adventures.
Let's get in. Wow.
Already interested.
Craig, there's already a basement.
What's upstairs? A lot of dirt. There's a penis. A lot of dirt. Oh, a lot of dirt.
Yeah. Ooh, there's more rooms back here. More rooms. Greg, this is a really weird place.
Yeah.
Just like the structure of the way that the rooms are laid out, how everything's dusty.
Cock. Okay.
I feel like I'm in like a liminal space, you know?
Yeah. The other side.
I love, look how these rooms are set up. Because like each of these round walls is a silo. Oh my God! It's Chud! It's Chud Jack.
Just try.
This whole place has a really spooky ancient vibe. I feel like I'm in some ancient temple here. Oh, easy, we'll just take this.
Nope. Those have already fallen up there. You want to trust them? I mean, they go to the same place I saw them earlier.
After further investigation, we came to the unfortunate realization there was no safe way up to the higher levels of the silo. Every staircase and ladder had been knocked down. However, we had more buildings to test our luck on.
Alright, I think this is the last of the buildings. Obviously, this staircase isn't stable.
Oh, let's see. Still attached.
Greg, you're my friend, and I'll always offer you a hand. Oh my, Greg.
What?
Greg, this is a vast drop.
Wow.
Wow.
It's you.
Jeez, this is like a wasteland.
This is insane.
Yeah. What kind of...
Something tells me we might see some penises down here. What does that say? Nikolai banged your mom in here.
Oh no.
Nikolai!
Wow. Just like you can see all the innards of the building.
Yeah.
This place looks magical, doesn't it? Like the snowfall and everything.
Yeah.
It almost makes me want it to be Christmas again.
Almost. Oh, Christmas. I love Christmas.
Is that your favorite holiday?
Yeah.
I think everyone's favorite holiday is Christmas.
Thanksgiving is a close second.
Now you're making me hungry by mentioning Thanksgiving, Greg.
I'm sorry.
Oh, look, there's even a little Christmas tree.
Yay!
Yay! Santa is coming, Greg. Santa's gonna give us presents.
Yay!
Were you a good boy this year?
No.
Oh, okay.
I killed 12 children.
Oh, that's very naughty, Greg.
Maybe nothing.
I don't know if we can get up here. Ah, crap.
Where's space?
Ooh, Greg. This is spooky. I like this. This is spooky.
Kill me written on the electrical box. Hurt me written right next to it. I guess it is kind of spooky. Whoa, dude. Get a load of that. Oh, yeah. What is this?
What just happened?
See right above the look there, the door. That panel is blowing in the wind, and it's like ripping apart right now.
We should climb that.
Good choices.
We could theoretically use this ladder. Not that I want to.
Oh my gosh, dude.
If we had like climbing gear, maybe, but
Yeah, if we had climbing gear, yeah.
I don't know if the view would be
gosh,
worth it.
Oh, that's terrifying to even think about, man.
Yeah.
That's insane.